What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Wow, it is hot today. It is 85 degrees. Man, I'm sweating. But beautiful day. What up, Mark? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you as always. Alright, so today is Thursday, June 1st, 2023. Yep, I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarty Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Tandytown. Tandytown, let's go. I'm actually not quite sure if I made tendies here today. No, I actually did not. Good. Oh, well. I mean, it didn't do that bad. Share with you guys in a second. But, yeah, Tandytown today. Pretty bullish day, especially in tech. We'll get to that in a second here. Wow, the VIX went down a lot. That's crazy. Why'd the VIX go down so much? Interesting. Ooh, I'm sweating bullets here. The rate on the 30-year fixed mortgage increased to 6.8% from 6.57% the week prior, according to Freddie Mac, on expectations that the Federal Reserve will hike interest rates again. Well, we don't know if they're going to hike again. They've given every indication that they won't, but, you know, anyone's best guess at this point. For the past 8 months, rate had stayed between 6 and 7% with few signs of significantly softening anytime soon. Musk is being accused of insider trading in a proposed class action by investors of the Tesla, accusing Tesla CEO of manipulating cryptocurrency Dogecoin, costing them billions. Who's suing Elon Musk? Well, class action, but yeah, so the apes are suing Elon Musk? Yeah, good luck with that. Anyway, thanks for that, Mark. Okay, so yeah, about the rate hikes. So, still possibility, but definitely not going to be as aggressive as before, if any. Alright, cool. Wow, it is very hot. Alright, guys. So, can you chart QBTS again? Up 90% today. Please, thanks. Congrats, man. Very happy for you. Sure, we'll look at that. Alright, so what do we got for today? Honestly, not too much planned. Again, pretty slow year. This whole year. Not much going on. It's actually been, like, a slow increase. Anyway. So we got 2 articles today. Well, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. My plays today. Quite a few. Only 2 articles today. One about the debt ceiling. Update there. And then one about Microsoft and OpenAI. Because AI is the hot thing now. But minor news there. Nothing too crazy. Today for the TA, as you see in the title, it's right there. We're going to do AI. That is the hot stock right now. And UCAR, full disclosure. I am currently short UCAR, so maybe a bit biased. But yeah, we're going to look at UCAR, UCAR, and then TRKA, Troika Media. Because apes still like that one for some reason. So 3 TAs, and then anything else you guys want me to look at? QBTS for Mark. And then we'll finish up with our YOLOs. There's some decent YOLOs today. We have 7. And 2 of them are memes, so yeah, that shouldn't take too long. So yeah, shouldn't be that long of a show today, guys. Maybe, yeah, same time, hour to hour and a half, but probably closer to an hour, because there's not too much content to go over today, guys. Thursdays aren't the best day for streaming. Not too many people. But today was pretty bullish, so we'll see. Always welcome, chatting and rainbow bearing. What up, Koya? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
SDA still effing us? Yeah, this is a crazy stock. I mean, it was bleeding all day, and actually right before power hour, it got down to below 30. It actually hit 26. It went below 27, like very briefly. and then shot right back up to 40 in the last 20 minutes here. So I have no idea what's going on. Crazy stock. But I mean, this shouldn't keep up forever. So I'm still diamond hands, but yeah, this is pretty crazy. But it looks like it actually hit 60 this morning, so it appears like the volatile action is cooling off, but who knows, who knows. Anyway, yeah, not a great way to end the day there on SDA. And yeah. Was looking good, not so much anymore. But, you know, diamond hands. We still in here. Alright, cool. So I think I covered everything there. So let's get started. Yes. Alright, and before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Alright, let's go. So let's start off with some live rainbow bearing. Not much going on here, but we do have BTTR, which actually I shorted yesterday. Better Choice Co. Got some news here. Alright, well, they're going to implement an AI. Of course, they're going to implement an AI something. I think this is like a therapy brand or something. Or a, I don't even know what this is, but they're doing something with AI here. Stupid. So that's why this is mooning post-market. So I actually shorted this yesterday and trying to reshort this. I'm trying to get this at 56 and no shares, but currently sitting at 59. So hopefully I get a fill here, but it's coming down pretty quickly. Anyway, so yeah, BTTR, only thing worth going for here post-market. Refresh, and yes, that's still it. So we'll come back to this. Okay. So let's do my plays today. I don't think I made any new ones. WLDS. Q-Tech. Don't think I have this one anymore. Yeah, I got rid of this one a while ago. Why is that still there? Q-Tech. What's up, shorting UCAR? Yeah, I'm already in there. I'm already in their average cost, 760. So, yep. Not financial advice, but looks like a pretty good short to me. All right. TM, SDA, ACON, UCAR. And all right, let me just double check here. No, I'm missing something. Hold on. ARDS. And one more. What am I missing here? All right, now we're good. Cool. Daily gap fill 293. Yes. You read my mind. I have my cover at 360. So yeah, it should come back all the way down there. We are gonna analyze this very soon. That's part of our show today. But yeah, man. read my mind. Easy short and huge gap down all the way at $3. So I'm gonna be a little safe and cover at 360. But yeah, a lot of downside potential here, over 50%. So should be an easy short, and I'm already in here at 760 average. So good luck there. Okay. All right, let's do it. So I think I'm down overall today. Yes, I'm down quite a bit, actually. All right, let's do it. All right, so IMGN up 3.9%, down 170. APLD, good. Up 10%, down 510. ENVB up 2.4%, down 90. Megagut today, WLDS up 37%, down 2,300. Stupid stock there. ACON up 3.5%, down 110. Big gain here. ARDS down 27.5%, up 1,260. SDA down 7.1%, up 400 there, but still down pretty big. Need some pullback in the post market here. VSTM up 65 there. UCAR up 50. And partial fill on REUN, which I'm kind of break even there. Anyway, so yesterday I was at my all-time high, and that was short-lived, because today I'm down 1,700 as of right now. So, yeah, not the greatest day for me. But, you know, not too bad. I actually thought I didn't do this bad. But, okay. Yeah, just holding some bags. Those should pull back. Just WDL. It's really WLDS is what really wrecked me today here. And I guess I need to make back on SDA as well. Alright, so yeah, that's my place for today, guys. Down 1,700. Go. So, hope you guys did better than me. Kind of hard not to. Alright, let's do another scan here. So, I still don't see anything. Still just BTTR. Which, is pulling back. It's at 50... I might have missed it. It's at 54 now. So, my entry was at 56. Yeah, I might have missed it. But, you know, I'll keep the order in here in case it does fill. Alright, cool. Let's get on to the watch list. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. Alright, we'll start on the red side. Okay, so, let's do this. Sorry, what the index is, my bad. Alright, so the Dow Jones up 0.47%. It's 420, guys. Make a wish. NASDAQ up 1.31%. And SPY up 0.95%. So, yeah, pretty bullish day here today, especially in tech. I don't know why the VIX is down so much, because this is a pretty normal day, but the VIX went down a lot today, down 12.76%. So, VIX is, so that's 2.29 points. VIX is now at 15.65. Really, really good VIX. So, it looks like the market is pretty strong. Not concerned, not volatile. Alright, let's take a look here. We'll start on the red side. Damn, Dollar General got wrecked. 19.5%. Nikola getting wrecked. Lordstown, Novavax. Mostly just memes. I do not see any value here. Literally, like, no value. Just Walgreens, Starbucks, Pepsi, Fox. Not much in the red, and definitely no value in the red there. So, onto the green side. Pretty much everything in the green. Big day for Chewy. 21.5%. Alright. So, yeah, a lot of green, but honestly not the most price action. But, some pretty big numbers on tech, though. Meta is up 3%. Hey, Mullen's finally in the green. About time. Yeah, Amazon 1.8. Got PayPal, eBay here, 1.7. Everything. Microsoft. Banks. Oil. Yeah, your tech, AMD, Nvidia, Google. So, yeah. Not the most bullish day, but barely any stocks in the red. And pretty much all value in the green here. So, yeah, pretty bullish day, especially for the bulls and the boomers. So, congrats to you, apes. Hope you guys made some fat titties, because I sure did not. MDB is squeezing, like right now, post-market, or just in general. We'll check it out. What up, Chilo? What's up? I just can't stop watching the Biden fall video. Which one? Doesn't he fall all the time when he's, like, boarding his airplane? Air Force One? And there's a bunch of, come on, man, and him doing creepy stuff, touching and smelling little girls, and yeah, it's a lot of weird stuff Biden does. But hey, I ain't judging. New one out? Ain't there a new one out every week? Alright, post-market. I don't see that. MDB, unless it's low float. Oh, it's earnings. It's definitely not. Oh, well, yeah, this is a value stock here, so not gonna go for it, but yes, this is mooning post-market here. Wow. Yeah, so this is the type of stock I don't like going for, blue chip value, but for sure, this is, I guess they had blowout earnings or something, because this is mooning. Alright, so thanks for that, but we're not gonna go for that. Alright, so still nothing going on, just still BTTR. Alright, 1 second here. Let's pull up crypto and the news. Making a very fast time. Not much to go over today. Not much rainbow bearing, not many articles. Not too much TA either. So, we might be out of here pretty soon. Damn, UCAR went back up. What is with these stocks, bro? Very volatile. Why is SDA just chilling at 40 now? All that price action just to be chilling in the post market? Very suspicious. Alright, let's do crypto here. So here's crypto. That is down 0.21%. So not bad at all. Just barely in the red. So pretty neutral day. Slightly bearish. Let's check it out. Bitcoin down 0.83%. So under 27K. Broke that. Binance down 0.4%. Ether is up a little bit. So not much price action. A little bit of red, a little bit of green here. Big day for Litecoin, 6%. All right, let's sort this out. It looks pretty split. All right, I guess we'll start on the green side. So actually, yeah, it's about 50%. Yeah, so 50% of the coins in the green. Nothing in the double digits. Biggest gainer is XDC Network, 8%. So, yeah, and mostly value. Well, Litecoin is biggest, or mostly growth, my bad. Value, Litecoin is the biggest value gainer. But yeah, not too much going on there. And let's just check out the red side real quick. So red side also 50% of the coins in the red, but much more price action on these two coins. ARAW down 23%, and Escroco Emerald down 18%. No idea what those are. But those are down a lot, and then big drop off from there. So, but that's mostly growth. Cardano is the biggest value coin here. Maybe Toncoin. Anyway, so not much going on here in crypto. Just ever so slightly bearish day. But yeah, so yeah, very well bullish day, stock market, neutral day, crypto. So overall should have been slightly bullish to bullish day for you guys. So I hope you guys made some fat tendies. All right, cool. There's crypto. Let's get on to the news. What up, Healthy Morty? What's up? You're still all in on SDA. Well, dude, congrats there. It did go up. Well, I mean, it went to 60, but now it's stabilizing at 40. It hit 30. It went below 30, like 20 minutes before power hour. Anyway, so congrats to you there. Not financial advice, but I would recommend practicing a little risk management there. All in is never really a good idea. I mean, it can work out, but it's a double-edged sword. So I would de-risk there, and if you want to keep going, that's fine. But I just take some money off the table. Your low AF average. Yeah, but I'm just going to talk to you from a logical perspective, dude. Like, what more do you want, honestly? What is do you even have an exit price? Because you need to have an exit price. You can't just, like, let it ride like that, So that's to be a number in mind where you're going to exit. So if you're going to let it ride, that's all I'll say. Just set a sell order. You can't just, YOLO it like that. Anyway, very happy for you, man. Congrats. Okay, Lululemon. Shares surge after reporting 24% sales growth. All right, Lulu. Well, I don't know how their stock is doing, but good earnings there. And here comes a siren. Sounds like a fire truck. Gonna talk over it. My apologies, guys. Sounds noisy. All right, let's do our 2 articles today. One about debt ceiling and one about AI. It is so hot in here, bro. All right, let's do it. Defense spending levels threaten to delay Senate plans to fast-track debt ceiling bill. A battle brewing over defense spending levels threatened to delay plans to fast-track a bill through the Senate to raise the debt limit for 2 years and cap government spending. GOP Senator Lindsey Graham threatened to keep the Senate tied up until Tuesday, unless he received assurances that there would be a supplemental funding bill for the Defense Department and commitments to continue arming Ukraine. Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer said delaying the bill with amendments was not an option that would risk default, plain and simple. All right, so it looks like they made significant progress, but they're not there yet. But we do have a few days until default. But it does appear like, yes, they are going to come to an agreement before June 5th. Hopefully. Like I said, looks like they're making significant progress, and looks like they're going to get a deal done. Just a few more things to hammer out, but that's the latest update. They're getting closer. Not there yet, but we should be okay. It sucks that stocks can only go down 100%, but can go up 1,000%. Yeah, that's the way it works, though. So when you short, you theoretically have an infinite loss potential, but that's why you use stop losses. So if you set a stop loss for 100%, then you can only lose 100% shorting. So yes, stop losses are important. And shorting is it's just more volatile. You make money faster like that. Obviously buy and hold works in the long term and is legitimate investing, but yeah, there's pros and cons for, you know, shorting and going long, but shorting definitely way better for swing trading, for day trading. All right, cool. And next article. So minor news here. Microsoft signs deal for AI computing power with NVIDIA-backed CoreWeave that could be worth billions. Shorting is too scary for me. Yeah, it usually is for people who've never done it, and it's definitely not for people with low risk tolerances because it is very volatile. But you know, okay. So yeah, shorting is it's not really investing. It's more like speculation. It's not gambling. It can be gambling, but it's more like speculation. It's not really investing. It's not investing. Okay. All right, so Microsoft signs deal for AI computing power with NVIDIA-backed CoreWeave that could be worth billions. I already said that. Microsoft agreements with CoreWeave could be worth billions of dollars over multiple years, people familiar with the matter said. CoreWeave offers NVIDIA graphics cards that other companies rent out. NVIDIA has invested $100 million in CoreWeave, which in April was valued at $2 billion. All right, so Microsoft making moves here. So AI is the hot thing right now with the apes, with the whole market. And NVIDIA is going nuts. And Microsoft, you know, being the monopoly, the giant that they are, taking advantage of this. So they're getting into AI here. So they invested in NVIDIA, which also invested in CoreWeave. So Microsoft indirectly has a stake in CoreWeave, I guess. Anyway, so yeah, Microsoft putting a lot of resources into AI, as I'm sure with a lot of other companies are. All right. Anyway, yeah, pretty minor news there. But yeah, that's all the news for today, guys. So, time is it? 4:34. Doing really good on time. So let me just pull up the YOLOs here while we do our TA, and then we'll finish up. So, yeah, not much going on today. Not much content, not much trading going on post-market. That's all right. Short and chill show. All right, let's do a refresh. Anything going on here? UCAR is actually up in the post-market. That's pretty interesting. All right, still nothing worth going for. I mean, BTTR still there, but that's pulling back. It's at 50 now, so probably too late to go for that. But yeah, really not much action going on here post-market. Slow day today. All right, so let's do some TA. So we're gonna do AI, TRKA, and UCAR, and then PBTS, or what is it, QBTS, whatever it was for Mark. And anything else you guys want me to look at, put it in the chat right now, and we'll get to that. Don't worry, it's coming back down. Yeah, I mean, we all know this. We all know this. Hopefully I don't get squeezed out. Talking about UCAR or AI. Well, they're both coming back down. We all know this. So let's give him a hot potato at this point, you know? You take the bag, you hold the bag, you hold the bag, and then someone's going to end up actually holding the bag. So I should be okay. I'm not down. I mean, actually, I am down quite a bit on SDA, but that's normal. I'm not getting squeezed out, not even close to getting squeezed out yet. So, if it hits 70, I'll get a little scared, but not sweating it just yet. And for UCAR, I'm just down a little bit there, so that's gonna come down a lot. UCAR, yeah. So I have a really good entry there, 760. So not down that much at all, and that should dump majorly tomorrow. But yeah, we'll analyze that in a second here. So let's do AI, TRKA, and then UCAR. Can't believe TRKA pumped. Yeah, I don't even know what's up with that stock, but apes still love it. That and Mullen. Apes love Mullen, and then apes love TRKA. All right, so let's do AI here. So this is the hot stock, literally because it's AI. Like, the ticker is AI. I don't think anyone actually cares about this company, to be honest. Okay. So, what do we got? So, earnings came out yesterday. We saw it live. They were actually pretty good. EPS and revenue beats. Guidance in line. But it looks like it was a sell the news event. So, down 13% today. And let's see what we got going on here. So, gap down at 38. So, that means this may come back up to 38 to fill that gap. Possibly in the short term. RSI is at 62, so a little bit above average there. Slightly bearish. Volume's still pretty strong, but that is winding down. Possible bull flag, possible. Why is this not drawing? Possible bull flag and possible head and shoulders forming. So bull flag is bullish, head and shoulders bearish. So getting mixed signals, but this does appear a little bit more bearish than bullish at the moment, based on the TA. But I'm gonna be real, in my opinion, this is a meme stock, and this is not gonna end well. So, not financial advice, but I'd probably look to sell here, or pretty soon. I look to take your profits and move on. Instead of diamond hands is not the way. Despite what you see on the internet, diamond hands is not the way when it comes to meme stocks. You hit the sell button if you're up, or lose it all. So anyway, so hot stock right now, but pretty confident this will come crashing down at some point, and you don't want to be the one holding the bag. So if you're currently up, I hit the sell button. Wouldn't go long at this point, and oh, I missed this. There's actually a gap up back at 20. Yeah. Gap up at 20. So this should actually come back down to 20. Which is massive downside potential. So not exactly the greatest entry on the short side at 35, but above average. And yeah, should come back down at 20. So massive downside potential there. About 40%. Little less than that. 35%. But yeah, so I don't like going long. And going short, not the best entry, but should be able to make some pretty fat tendies here. So yeah. Little risky, because this is still very volatile, still squeezing possibly. But as long as you're able to withstand the pressure on the short side, the upside pressure, should be able to make some pretty fat tendies on the short side here. So yeah. In summary, meme stock. If you're up, cash out, and I support shorting and covering at 20, and should be some fat tendies to the downside here. All right, another siren coming. All right, TRKA. I can't really analyze this one because it reverse split and this graph is messed up. Yeah. How much did this go up today? Bruh. 25-1. If I miss this, I'm gonna be so tight. 25-1 reverse split. Really? Alright, so I didn't miss it. But, alright. So this is mooning on... So I can't really analyze this, because I didn't realize it reverse split. And the graph is pretty messed up on TD. It didn't adjust yet, so... Yeah, sorry, can't analyze here. But I will just say, another meme stock And, you know, it'll have its pumps here and there, gamma squeezes, but over the long term, probably going to be a losing play. So, do not recommend buying and holding this. You could swing it on the long side if you want. Not saying it's a good idea, but you certainly should not buy and hold this as an investment. It is not an investment. It is a swing play. It's a speculation. Okay. The siren is loud and annoying. Want to see APLM and plug, please? TRKA reminds you of HLBZ. I don't remember. I remember that ticker, but I don't remember the price action too much. Anyway, yeah, here comes the siren. Sorry, guys, gonna talk over it. This one's really annoying. All right, so yeah, can't analyze this one, but yeah, if you want to swing trade, go ahead. But probably you better off staying away from this one altogether. If you're up, you should probably sell. Not financial advice. I wish I could do a better TA on this, but yeah, chart is pretty messed up, so can't do that. But maybe tomorrow or the next day, when this chart gets fixed, we can analyze this in more detail. I'm gonna mute real quick, guys. That was ridiculous. I literally heard that siren from like 30 blocks away. Okay. And then what's the last one? Drawn. Oh, UCAR. Right. So full disclosure, guys, I am currently short UCAR at 760 average. So I'm actually currently down a little bit here. But yeah, this one is pretty simple. Pretty straightforward. Pumping on good PR today. And it may not be done just yet. Because this is still pumping post-market. So, yeah, it may not be done just yet. But big price action today, 144%. But very obvious at this point. Actually, you know what? So, according to the RSI, the current price of 760 is actually still oversold and undervalued. You can't really go off that too much, though, because this is a brand new stock. So, you can't put too much weight on the TA here, because this is only, what, a couple months old? This is only 2 months old, not even a month and a half old. It started trading on 420, lol. Anyway, so, yeah, still oversold and undervalued according to the RSI, but this did gap up at 328, so this should pull back down to 328 in the short term here. So pretty much just a matter of when, not if. So it appears like it's not done squeezing just yet. Maybe a day or two more upside potential left in this, but yeah, massive pump and due for some massive pullback here. So, you know, at this point, it probably will, like I said, it'll probably keep pumping for one more day or two. So, but I would not recommend going long. You know, you missed your chance already. You missed your really good entry. I'd actually probably sell pretty soon. Got to be happy with this, 144%. And like I said, it's actually not a good entry on the short side, but there is a lot of downside potential here. So, yeah, excellent. Well, good entry in my opinion. Well, according to the chart, it's not, but in my opinion, it is 760. And yeah, so I can't support shorting here at this current price and holding all the way down to $3, 330, where the gap is, and should be some massive downside potential there, about 60%. So pretty straightforward. Pump and dump. Still pumping, but it's gonna dump. So hit the sell button, cash in, guys, and yeah, short. Okay, cool. That's all the planned TA. Let's do some TA for you guys. Let's do a scan first, actually. Anything new happening? Probably not. No. Alright, let's do some TA for you guys. So QBTS. Alright, so this one looks like it's consolidating a little bit here between 170 and 120. So, could be bullish or bearish. Neutral indicator there. But yeah, consolidating. So it looks like there's going to be some massive price action after this consolidates. Probably at 145-ish. Possible bull flag forming. So that's bullish there. There it is. Possible bull flag. Yeah, so like I said, this may come back up to 180 in the short term here. Anyway, so I do expect some more trading between 170 and 120 for a little bit, but they should consolidate somewhere between 145, and from there should be a significant breakout either way. More likely to the upside because this is a bull flag, but it could break out to the downside as well. So just pay attention. Like I said, should continue to trade between 170 and 120, and once it consolidates around 145, I expect significant price action either way. Okay, but it looks more bullish than bearish to me. Okay, what else we got here? All right, so ALPM, plug, and SDA. All right. APLM. So this one can't really analyze this too much. This is a pretty brand new stock, so can't give the TA too much weight. What up? 19% today, 20%. Very nice. I mean, so this is a cup and handle. So this can, not saying it will, but this can come back up to like $12, maybe even 30 in the short term, maybe even 50. Unlikely, but this is a giant cup and handle. Most realistic would probably be $7, honestly. The top of this cup. Yeah, so in the short term, I say this may come up to 7. But it is possible this comes back up to 50 in the longer term to complete the cup. But RSI is at 30, so this is current price of 485 is oversold and undervalued still, pretty much. Yeah, there's not much to go off of. But you know, it's not far from the low of 370, so 30 RSI, good price. I think anything $5 and lower is a good price. And just based on the TA here, like I said, not many indicators, but cup and handle and low RSI, both of which are bullish. So, excuse me. So you should be able to make money on the upside here. I would not long-term hold this. I'd swing trade it for a quick gain. Get in, get your money, get out. But yeah, certainly wouldn't short this, and looks like a pretty decent long play. So good luck there. And plug. So this is the EV charging company, right? Okay. This one, so 48 RSI, so that's fair market value. Near the low. No gaps. Actually there are. Alright, there are some gaps. Anyway, so this one is kind of a meme. One of the more legit memes. It's a meme, but it's not a total meme. Anyway, so currently this is fair market value. 845, the current price, and you know, it does look more bullish than bearish right now, according to the TA, in the longer term. So here's a possible cup and handle forming. May have bottomed out at 740 here. A couple gap downs. Actually, gap down at like 16, so maybe this will come back up to 16. Anyway, not too much to go off of. Again, caution, because this is kind of a meme stock. But, yeah, current price, 845, fair market value, and looks pretty neutral, but if I had to choose one, it does look more bullish than bearish in the longer term. But honestly, I'd probably just stay away from this one. Not really worth it, in my opinion. It seems to pull like 2-week pushes. I might swing it. All right, yeah, you're right. It does seem to move in, like, weeks. It, like, stagnates for a week, and then it does a big move, and then it just stays there again. So, yeah, personally, I'd stay away. But, good luck, man, if you decide to go for this. All right, let's do SDA. All right, yeah, I can't really analyze this, dude. Like, this is the chart. There's, so I probably just got caught in some stupid IPO here. But, yeah, there's nothing to analyze, dude. There's a whole... I didn't even realize this was this new of a company. We got a whole 10 days of data here. A whole 2 weeks of data. Which every single day has been green for the most part. So that's pretty impressive. Anyway, yeah, I cannot analyze this. But we all know how this is going to end. Yes, so... You already know what I'm going to say. A little biased, because I am just a rainbow bear, and I do currently have a short position in this. So of course I'm going to say it's coming down, but I ain't lying. You know, like I said, just make sure you hit the sell button. Dump the bag onto some stupid ape. Make sure it's not you. And congrats, man. I wish I had those tendies. I went the wrong way. And now I just got to hold until I get my money back. I mean, there's money both ways, you know. You make your money, we hold it. I make my money back, make money. The only people that lose money are the apes in the end. But, yeah, I don't know what's going on with the stock, though. It's crazy price action, and I'm still in here. But extreme price action, very volatile. Not really loving that. So half tonight. All right, dude. Again, you know, not sure exactly what the play is or how much up, but yeah, never a bad idea to cash out. I'd say cash out at least your cost basis. So at that point, you're playing on house money. I think half is probably more than your cost basis. I don't know, but yeah, sounds like a plan, dude. So congrats, and yeah, secure the gains. Enjoy. You know, take yourself out, take your family out, wife. I don't know if you're married, but yeah, you know, celebrate somehow. Have you ever been caught in a stock that suddenly got acquired? On the short side, no. No. That would be pretty rough. No, I've been on the long side where it's gotten acquired. But that was more like an investment, not really a swing trade or speculation. But I have been, I've been on the short side when a stock got hit with some very negative PR and it goes like negative 70% instantly. Those are great. Those are the best feeling. But personally, no, I've never been caught in a stock that got acquired on the short side. No. And even so, if I did, that really wouldn't be too bad, honestly, because stocks don't really squeeze when they get acquired. They just really pump up to their whatever share price that the buyout was agreed upon. So no, I haven't, and even if I did, or anyone did for that matter, it really wouldn't be that bad. Not as bad as you think, I don't think. Buy some puts to hedge your long. That's an option, yes, but probably not the best idea. I don't even know if SDA has options, but even if they did, I can probably check right now. I should check right now. But even if they did, that's probably not the best idea because the IV would be pretty high. It has no option, so you can't even do that. But even if it did, the IV would be pretty high, so those options would cost a lot of money, and So I don't know if buying puts would be the best play in this situation, but generally speaking, it is. Yes, you can do that. But in a volatile meme stock like this, I'm not sure if that's the best play. I'm a 430%. All right, yeah. Oh, you said that already. Yeah, dude. So half would be 200%, perfectly fine, and even 100% is perfectly fine. Like I said, as long as you cash out your initial cost basis and you're on house money, you know, at that point do whatever you want. But 200% is really nice too. You know, cash out and either reinvest it or yeah, go celebrate. Reminds me of Redbox buyout, chicken soup for the soul. Redbox went nuts, then dumped in 2 weeks. Yeah, I remember that. Yes. And the apes went nuts too. And oh, it's gonna move and it's gonna squeeze, and then never fails. All right, let's do another scan here, and let's finish up with the YOLO. So it's 5 o'clock, 4:58. So actually finishing on time here. All right. So still nothing really going on post-market. Very, very boring post-market. There's still BTTR. That's back up to 55. But other than that, nothing going on. Me IRL? Why, you went long Redbox? I think I went short Redbox. I can't even remember. Alright, so SDA is back at 38 post-market here. It's not really moving. It's chilling at like 39, 38, 39. Alright, so let's finish up with our YOLOs. Okay, so I'm gonna take a drink and we'll do it here. Gotta head to work now, see you tomorrow. Alright, thank you, Chilo. Appreciate you. Catch you tomorrow. Lost like 40%. Rookie numbers. Yep. No, that sucks. But hope you didn't go all in. But yeah, that's honestly, when you're a day trader, when you're speculating, that's not the worst thing in the world. But that's why you gotta practice good risk management. Like losing 40% if you went all in, that'd be pretty nasty. But if you lost 40% on like a trade that was only 1 or 2% of your portfolio, you know, it really doesn't hurt that bad. Okay. He was? Damn, sorry, dude. But sounds like you made it all back and more with this play. And yeah, dude, like I said, risk management is key. Alright, let's do the YOLOs here. So today we got 7 YOLOs, I think 2 memes, and 5 actual YOLOs. But they're not that great. Wall Street Bets is slacking. But I pulled up the best ones. So let's have some fun. Let's do it here. I recovered my whole account in this past 2 weeks. Yeah, happy for you, dude. But, you know, I hope you learned from your mistakes. And, yeah, to avoid that in the future, risk management is key. Down 85% all time. Now green. That sounds like a Robinhood account. Like, that sounds like something you see on Wall Street Bets. But, awesome, dude. Doesn't matter how you got there. Green is green. Green is good. Alright, let's do it. So, by Republic 8583. It was good while it lasted. Thanks, Kramer. So, tweet from Jim Cramer. What's he say this time? I totally understand the sell-off. We have enough month profit. We have end-of-month profit taking. But do not get discouraged. Let some stocks come in. No hurry. Uh-oh. It is? What? You posted it on Wall Street Bets? Really? Sure, dude. Yeah, let's see it. Alright, so Kramer says, don't be discouraged. Market's coming back. And you guys know the joke, inverse Jim Kramer. Not saying you should, but tends to work. So, hey, works for me. I'm all for, bear market. Let's get these tendies. Okay, I don't know what's up with this Ben Affleck meme. This is like a popular meme nowadays. He just got caught off guard here. Poor Ben Affleck. Yeah, so Kramer predicts we're gonna have a bounce here, a comeback. So, I don't know. Doesn't sound too good to me. It's not on there now, but I will. All right, that'd be awesome, dude. All right, next one by Morblius. PSTG plus 57k calls. I do not know what that is. Pure storage? All right, I don't know why you would YOLO 57k on a storage company, but maybe he knows something we don't. All right. So all expiring June 16th. So they are FDs. 29, 30, 31, 32 calls. PSTG. All right, well, it's in the money. I'm not sure when he bought these. He probably bought them right now. Yeah, so it looks like he literally bought the top. Yeah, I think he bought the top here. He bought in the money calls at the top, and so this is not a good. I mean, it's a good strike, but not well timed. Yeah, I don't know about this. I don't like this at all. FD buying it when it's overbought. It's probably gonna tank and you're gonna lose all your money, dude. Not saying you will, but yeah, this is probably not gonna end well. So first of all, yeah, don't YOLO 57k guys on. It's not a meme stock, but a growth stock like this, and especially don't do it when it's already overbought and overvalued. So anyway, I'm not a big fan of this play. This seems like it's gonna end really, really bad, but I sure hope not for your sake, dude. Hope it works out. So good luck, and please post updates. All right, next one by Taxman. Up 30k on Tesla. I came to collect. All right. So I think he already sold them, so he's realized it. He cashed out. Very nice. So, yeah, June 2nd. So expires tomorrow. FDs, 202.5, 205, and 207.5 calls. And, yeah, said it himself. Sold them all for $30,000. So, pretty risky stuff. FD expires tomorrow, but, made big bucks here and hit the sell button. And he sold. Which is, important, A lot of you apes make money, but then forget to sell or get too greedy. So, yeah, well done. 30k on Tesla FDs and cashed out. Nice. Congrats, man. Alright, next one by ATL Who, or, yeah, can't say that. Woo. Woo. Anyway, so this looks like a $190 YOLO on some lotto tickets, MRVL lotto tickets. One call for 52 strike and one for 54. So he turned $190 into $9,500. Insane. But this already expired last week, so I don't know why I didn't share it back then. So old play, but yeah, from 190 to 10k. Insane. Crazy gains here. Not typical, don't expect this, guys, but well done. Congrats, man. Alright, here comes another siren. Gotta talk over it. This one's by Stock Gambler 33. Turned $400 into 5,000. Went full degen. Alright, so today, he's up, yeah, about $3,900. 237%. Typical Robinhood account here. In true Wall Street Bets fashion, I couldn't pay my rent today, so I took my roommate's rent to cover my overdrafted account and YOLO into DG. Because I was so confident and it paid off. I hope he's trolling. Alright, so yeah. Dollar General Lotto tickets. I think they got wrecked today, so yeah, so he bought puts, they got wrecked. So earning Lotto tickets, bought puts, they got wrecked, printed, and he cashed out. So yeah, that's how you turn 400 into 5,000. That is a 1,200% gain there. Oops. That's what my account looks like. Like this in one day. Probably not straight up like this, but yeah, something similar. Yeah, you gotta love Robinhood, right? Gotta love Robinhood. Alright, so yeah, Stock Gambler. Congrats, dude. You already sold, so yeah. So all I'll say is you got lucky. You should know that you got lucky, and this is not typical, and probably won't happen again. So, you know, stop going degen. Should probably just like get a job and invest. But yeah, nice. Congrats to you on the gain, and good luck. Damn, SDA is back up to 44 post market. What is with this stock, man? This one does not keep. Just keeps on going. This is insane. And it actually has shorts. It has shares to short. So I do not know what's up with this stock. Totally insane. All right, two more by Neon Fighter. Watching everyone's AI gains, and meanwhile I'm value investing like a pro. Yeah, so sometimes it feels like this. I wouldn't really call this value investing, Eastside Distilling, but yeah, this is definitely not value investing. This is growth investing, speculation. Wow, it just went to 47, dude. Yeah, this is a little concerning. This is a little concerning. Just how this keeps on pumping post-market and no weakness. Yeah, tomorrow, this might be pretty big. Not saying it will, but setting the stage for tomorrow. Alright, so yes, back to this. So yeah, this is not value investing. Stop lying to yourself, dude. But yeah, it'd be like that, you know? You buy shares, you think you're doing the right thing, and then apes go YOLO, and then just, you know, make 500% in a day. But yeah, he's down 94.4%. So I guess it was 300k YOLO, and he's down 297k. Impressive, impressive. So he bought, and it went down 95%. So seems more like a meme stock. Definitely not value investing. So yeah, Epic lost Corn, trying to do the right thing. So double whammy here. You got wrecked trying to be a boomer. So yeah, this was a super fail. Kind of feel bad, but not really. Anyway, so take the special type of ape to do this. Congrats, man. Neon Fighter. Now that sucks, dude. But you had to know not to put 300k into Eastside Distilling. Come on, bro. So just as bad as... This is pretty much just... Yeah, this is just as bad as YOLOs, as option YOLOs, as FDs. Anyway, so Epic lost Corn. Sorry about that, dude. Hope you're okay. But you are a legend. Thanks for the post, and good luck to you. Alright, last one. By Disgruntled Renter 145. Any hope for TDOC, Teladoc? I don't think so. That's Kathy Wood's I think she dumped. Anyway, so we got leaps here. January 19th, 2024. So 6 months to go. 6.5 months. $70 call. So about a 52K YOLO and down about 51K. Over 98%. And let's just quickly look at Teladoc. Alright, yeah. It's at 24, and he needs it to get to 70 by next year in 6 months, so. Any hope? Yeah, there's a chance, but not looking very great. So I'd probably just cash out your $800 here and, you know, go make yourself feel better. Yeah, that's rough. Lost 51K on Teladoc YOLO. So, moral of the story, stop playing FDs. Stop playing options, guys. Even leaps, you know. Even leaps can go really bad sometimes, like this. So, yes, moral of the story, careful with options, guys. The apes really shouldn't be playing around like this. Alright, cool. So, that's all the YOLOs for today. Good stuff. It is now 5:13, so let's do one more scan. And let's get out of here. But that is the show for today, guys. Alright, and it still looks like nothing is going on. Still, only thing noteworthy is BTTR. Up 79% post-market. Yep, that's about it. So if anything else happens, I'll put it in Discord. And if not, I'll just see you guys back here tomorrow. So let's end the week on a strong note here. Let's get these tendies. Okay. And, yep. Alright, so that is the show for today, guys. Good stuff. So, not too much content to cover. But, a lot of chatting, a lot of TA. Not so much renewal bearing, but yeah, we did manage to go hour 15 here. So, pretty short and chill show. I hope you guys enjoyed. SDA is back down to 41. Nice. Yeah, so congrats to everyone today. Congrats on your attendees. Let's get some more tomorrow, and let's finish the week strong. So, catch you guys back here tomorrow. And on Discord. Alright, cool. That's all I got. Let's get out of here. Lagging a little bit. That's alright. Alright, guys. See you tomorrow. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.